Hello, and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing a review on the Nerf rifle Prometheus. It is a giant minigun made by Nerf from the rival range, and it is a phantom corpse, and it is a buttload of fun. It can hold 270 rounds. Its advertised capacity is only 200, but it can hold 270. And it's meant to be held at the hip, as you can see, handle here, and you would hold it like that. It is probably the best Nerf gun out on the market right now. Keep in mind I'm talking about in 2020, and it has been since like 2019, 2018. And it is hopper fed, just up here, as you can see. You can just detach the hopper. You would put in your rifle rounds in here, aka the little yellow balls, and that would load through a conveyor system just here. And these little notches here, they would spin, which also spins the conveyor. And in doing that, the balls will be pushed through here into the flywheels just up here, which they'll be squeezed, then shot out. And it shoots at about 198 feet per second out of the muzzle, but obviously because of air and friction, they'll slow down greatly. But yeah. And up here is the handle where you'll fire. You have the rev trigger down here. There's the rev trigger. And you have the firing one here. And this is the safety switch. So this is on. And this is off. So when you have it on, you'll obviously rev it up and fire. Now this light that you just saw turn on, just here, that is the battery indicator. If it's green, your battery is good and you're good to do a big long Nerf game. If it's red, the battery is low and it's best to recharge it. If it is flashing red, you are about to run out of battery in like the next minute or so. And it has a massive 12-volt battery at the back here. And it does hold a lot of power, as I said, 12 volts, and needs all of that power for how much it would run, how much it would shoot. So yeah, you have these little snow feet down here, and they're so that it can sit upright. So you can just sit it down, and it would sit upright. But obviously this is not a table that I am at currently, it is just the chair. But it does sit up straight, and yeah. At the muzzle here, obviously you can't put on an extension to make it longer. It's rival, not Nerf Elite. You have sling mounts here, and a back sling mount here that can twist for comfortability, like so. And you could put a sling on the snow feet, I guess, but not the best idea. But yeah, that's the Prometheus. It also comes with a sling as well, that is very comfortable. No ammo storage on the sling though, obviously it is rival. Just go out, buy an ammo patch and that'll be good to like $15. But yeah, you have this handle here that can spin and go up and down so that you can elevate it. You have a tactical rail here and one at the bottom. I don't know why you would use that, it is useless. It is being covered up. But if you want to put like a red dot or something on it, you can put it just up here. And yeah, overall it is one of the best Nerf guns out there that you can get, probably the best. Anyway, let me take you to a firing demo. Also, we're not going straight to a firing demo. We need to load it first. So, yeah. If it stops. Can you please stop? By the way, I was trying to click the pause button and it wasn't working. Yet again. Now, something I should mention about this gun is that because it is this big, it uses this much ammo, and has a massive 12-volt battery. It's expensive, as in $200 US expensive. But for us Australians, you're looking at around $350. So it is quite expensive. Be mindful of that. Don't go run up to your parents, or don't just run online and go, hey, I'm gonna buy this. It is very expensive. Be mindful of that. It is one of the most expensive Nerf guns out there. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you go out to buy it. Another thing to remember with this gun when loading it is that you want to leave a little bit of space, because if you don't leave that bit of space, it will jam up and won't be able to fire, because all of them would be so compact, unable to go down into the hopper, because this is gravity fed for it to shoot. So remember to leave a little bit of space so that they can actually go down and begin to fire. Anyway, on to the firing demo. Hi, so I'm back. Sorry if the quality's not that good. We don't have the microphone or anything. We just run it off a laptop. If you can't hear my voice that well, that's fine. You're not going to be hearing it anyway because of this revving. But yeah. So, as I said, fires very fast. 270 rounds. So yeah. Remember, turn to safety so that this is facing not away from you but towards you. And then just aim at where you fire. And yeah. You won't see the bullets though because we don't have good enough quality on our camera. Yeah. Anyway, if you can't see them, don't worry. I shoot it at the wall here a bit, and if you still can't see them, you might see them on the ground, but yeah, we have very bad quality camera. Yeah. It is extremely powerful. Definitely a good Nerf gun. Highly recommend. Keep in mind, it is expensive, but yeah, probably the best Nerf gun you can get out there. My review on this would be probably about a 9.5 out of 10. Only thing being off of it is probably just the price, but other than that, solid Nerf gun. Highly recommend. Lots of fun. You'll be shooting out lanes and lanes of foam with it. Yep, very good gun to get. So you better start begging your parents. No music, because on a lot of our videos we've been getting copyrighted, so yeah.